Risks of buying an air conditioning unit online and self-installing. Buying an air conditioning unit online and self-installing can seem like a convenient and cost-saving option. However, it comes with several risks that could lead to unexpected problems. Here are a few examples. Incorrect sizing. Choosing the wrong size unit can result in inefficient cooling and higher energy bills. Improper installation. Without professional installation, there's a higher chance of making mistakes that can damage the unit or your home. Safety concerns. Handling refrigerants and electrical components can be hazardous without the proper training and tools. Future repairs. Self-installation may lead to improper setup, causing costly breakdowns or repairs down the line. At Cosby Heating and Cooling in Mount Vernon, Ohio, we're here to help take care of all your AC concerns. Contact us today at 740-431-4230 to schedule your AC installation and enjoy year-round peace of mind.